Brief preview of our project. Let's go to Chrome. Here we have the overview of our project. I would like to take a second to show you what we will be building in this course. It will be your own personal resume online. It is a way to show yourself off to the world. So here I have got my own site. It's got my name, a little bit about me, this cool button that when you click on it, it actually initiates sending email to me. We have got this picture of myself. Then below down here, I have listed some previous my corporate experiences and skills I have worked here on before. And what is really cool about each of this is they give you a little snapshot of what I have done. But if you click on any of this, you can see the picture blown up in more detail. And we have got this cool little back button to head back to the main page. A big part of this course will be working with the database which powers these different jobs and skills that we have worked on before. And so if we go to the name of our website /admin, we will actually have this whole interface to add new jobs here. If we want to change anything, like for example here for Bangalore, I realized actually not in Bangalore, it was in Delhi. So I would make this, I'll go back and will write Delhi over here. Save. So I can quickly make an update here on admin page. As you can see, it is updated to Delhi. And now when I go back to the home page, what I see here, it is reflected over here. The change has been reflected live right here. So that will be our project which we will be doing in our course. Here, down here, we can also download our resume, attach LinkedIn, whatever we want to attach in our page. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.